Okay, welcome to another episode of Made in China. This is my GoldStar microwave. Sensor touch, it's heat sensitive. The fan, it's just a total piece of garbage. It doesn't even vent. It has a nasty charcoal filters. You can just see them right there. But come to find out, this is a GoldStar microwave. It says it right there, GoldStar. January 2006. Distributed by LG Electronics Inc. South Korea. Assembled in China. This thing is a total piece of junk. Microwave oven. It's loud as could be, and the turntable makes this awful screeching noise. This is from '06, along with the stove, refrigerator, and the Whirlpool dishwasher. So, this thing is heat sensitive. Here's the fan. Even though it's vented, it's vented, but it doesn't vent. It just sucks it up and blows it back out. So never buy this microwave. It's a total piece of junk. It didn't cost that much. Here's the model. 1000-watt, single phase. January 2006. Don't ever buy it. Made in USA or other places except China's alright. Anyways, that's it for now, and bye.